Hey tubes, hey, we're working on the CTS today, and the project we're doing is actually this back piece right here. You can see how it's got a lot of weather checking and some problems with it. In this part, we've actually gone through and wet sanded it with like 2000 grit, and we'll go a little bit further. And what we have to do is we have to get all the old checking off. Even though this area looks fairly good, it's still got a lot of checking and cracking in the covering on it. And then underneath here, it's got a lot of I don't know what it really is, kind of maybe a calcium buildup or something from it just sitting out in the weather and the seal not being contacted all together. So I just kind of set this in there right here so you could kind of look at it and see what it's supposed to look like when it fits. If you have a 2003, you know. If you don't, well, then this is just a curiosity thing for you. But what we did is we went through here and to initially get it off, and we just gently pried all the way around. It was already loose, and we just kind of finished it off just by being real gentle with it. We could kind of go in and twist the screwdriver a little bit and gently walk it all the way around, and that's how we were able to get it off without actually breaking these items here. So let me pick this up off of here and then show you some stuff. So let's get this up out of the way up here, and then this is what we're doing is we're actually taking this little screwdriver and kind of going around here, and there's a couple of extra spots here where we got a little deep with it. What we're doing is we're going through here and we're getting all the old glue out of here, and we just stick that in there, and we barely, and I mean barely, tap it with a really small ball peen hammer. This is not a big ball peen hammer. You can see it fits in my hand real easily, so with room to spare. So we're just kind of tapping it around, and we still have some more stuff. We get it to focus, more stuff, more of that glue to get out of here. Then what we'll do when we're done is we'll go ahead and we'll probably stick some clear RTV in here all the way around, and then once we get this item up here cleaned up, then we'll go ahead and reinstall it. So let's go ahead and get to doing some cleaning, and I'll show you what it looks like when we get a little further along. Alright, I'm actually going to take this screwdriver here, and it doesn't quite fit all the way in the groove where the glue is. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take and grind the sides, the top and the bottom off a little bit, and I think I'm going to put like a small chisel bevel on this too, so that it'll be a little easier to use all the way around. So let me go take care of that real quick. There it goes. I think I need a steeper angle on that. I think that'll work right there. I'm not trying to chisel wood, so I don't need it to be really sharp. So I'm just going to kind of knock some of the burrs off of it. And that's what we kind of end up with right there. Can't focus on it. Doggone it. Well, let's do this. There we go. So let's go see how that works out. Alright. And I think to start off with, I probably won't even need the hammer. I could probably just use this and gently push it along here like that. Now it seems to fit in here fairly well. You can see it kind of like building up there. And I guess these are little guide pins or something right here. I'm not sure what they are. So I'm not going to chisel them off. I'm just going to leave them. I'll try to do this. Hopefully I won't like slip off and go across the paint. That would really suck. So let me get a little bit more of this done and then see how it's going. Alright, I went back and I thinned the blade out a little bit more because I didn't feel that it was, I don't feel it fitting the groove as well. So I went back and I took some off. There we go. Yeah, that seems to be getting in there a lot better. And you can see the glue just pretty much just peels right off. And that's what we're going to have to replace. So let's turn this over here a little bit. Let's see if we can't get some more out of here. I want to use the chisel area like this, not this way, because I don't want it to dig in like it was here. I want it to kind of slide along the surface where I twist it like this and push it up, and then I can pull it out like that. Let's get you over here a little bit. Whoop, whoop, sorry about that. There we go. And that helps right there. Alright, let's go from the top down now. See if we can zoom out a little bit. There we go. I don't even know if you guys can see that because of the shadows there. There we go. Alright. So it looks like that's going to work. Let's see if I can't get some more of this out of here. There we go. Get all this glue out of here so we can put some fresh glue in there so we get a good seal. So, like I said, let me get some more done and see how it works out. Okay. Alright, here we go. I just kind of realized that if you get in here like this and flip it around, flip it up, get up underneath it, that in the corners, it starts to come out. There you go. And then what you can do is you can use your finger and kind of go up underneath it and then walk the screwdriver down like this gently, because you don't want to slip off and scratch your stuff, but gently kind of do it. When you get to an area like this, just be a little more patient to work around it. The other thing is you can use this little flat side and then the beveled side to kind of chisel like this and get some of the stuff, or like this, or get underneath something like that, and then pick it out and then turn it around and get back underneath it again. So, well, I've got quite a bit of this done actually. I'd say a good 3/4 of it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, and then we're going to go ahead and get back onto this thing right here. Here's all the crap I took out. It's just a lot of this stuff. It's just some really weird looking glue. I don't know if it's even in focus. There it is. It's pretty bright out here, so the camera's hard to look at. You know, the back piece, or I should say the phone camera. I use my Galaxy S5 for this, and it's been a great phone for me. My wife's had some problems. When she turns the screen all the way down, it kind of flickers this green stuff. We never knew what happened to it. We went ahead and changed it out with another one on warranty, and after a while that one did it. But this is one of the earlier Galaxy S5s, and it's never given me any problems as far as that goes. So, alright guys, let's get on to cleaning out the grooves and stuff. Alright guys, pretty much got everything out. All I have to do now is just kind of clean all the leftovers out of the cracks and get it cleaned up. And we haven't actually researched the type of glue that we should use, so I'll probably do that. So far we think we'll just use clear RTV for it, but we still have to clean up the actual lens that goes back here too. So let's see if I can't get any close-ups of this up for you. There we go. It's not perfect, but all this is going to be, it's going to be hidden underneath the lens, so it's not going to be a big deal if there's any scratches or anything in here, because this none of this is going to be viewable. The only place it's going to be viewable is where the license plate area goes and around it. All this right up to the edge of the paint, that's all going to be the back lens piece that goes on here. So you won't even see it. Looks like I got a little bit of dirt down here left. So, well, it's going to need water, so, but I'm not going to worry about it, at least yet. All right, guys, I guess that's it for this portion of it. The next thing is we're going to have to go ahead and polishing up and reconditioning the lens, doing some research on the sealant for this, and then go ahead and install it. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all, and keep none you out. Bye.